So today I'm going to be finishing off this costume. Just got some final touches to do, mainly on the sleeve, just so that this one mirrors this one. So come finish your dress with me. Okay, so let's get started by filling up my little glue pot. I absolutely love this little glue pot with a fine tip. It makes applying the glue really easy. There we go. With my fine tip. I'm good to go. And I'm using some of the Mine Gold stones with my Tanteo Pickle pencil. And there we go, guys. That little bit of finishing off the neck there. I'm matching up that with the sleeve.